Namaste children. Welcome to English offline classes. Today in this class we will learn more about describing words. As you know children, adjectives we tell it as describing words. So we have learned about adjectives in our online classes. So now let us quickly recapitulate about describing words. Yes, here children, if you observe in this picture, empty, full, big, small. All these words are telling how the objects are. See, if you observe, the first, it is an empty box, right? In the next, it is full of popcorn. In the next picture, you can see a big elephant. And in the last picture, you can see a small, tiny little ant. So here, all these words are describing how the things are. So they are adjectives. Here, person, animal, place, thing. So adjective talks about how a person is, animal is, and about the place and about the thing. So here, two chocolates. So here, the number 2 is telling us how many chocolates are there. So here, numbers also comes under adjectives. Yellow butterfly is colors. When it comes to colors, we tell, right? Yellow color, red color, blue color, orange color. So all these colors comes under adjectives, children. Big car. Yes, my father has a big car. You always tend to tell it, no? We have a big car. It is telling, the word big is telling how the car is. Shape. Round table. If you see, the shape of the table is round. So, round table. Okay. So, all the shape, square, round, rectangle, everything comes under adjective, children. So, adjectives here. Person, animal, place, thing. Words that describe the quality of a person, animal, place or thing are called adjectives. Words for numbers, colors, size and shape are also adjectives. As I told you, 1, 2, 3, 4, the numbers. All the numbers comes under adjectives. Colors, yellow color, red color, white color, black color, everything comes under adjectives. Size, big, small, huge, tall, short, all these things comes under adjectives. Shape, round, okay, oval, square, rectangle, cone, cylindrical also comes under adjectives. So look at the boy. He's a smart boy, isn't it? He is a smart boy. Here the word smart is telling how the boy is. Okay, even though if you tell he is a boy, the sentence is correct only, children. But when you are adding adjective, it gives the clarity about the boy. How is the boy? It is telling us how the boy is. Green parrot. Here in this sentence, in this word, green, it is telling the color of the parrot. So, green parrot. This is a green parrot. Big hall. Can you see the hall, children? It's quite big, right? So, big hall. It is telling the size of the hall. Round ball. Again here the word round is telling the shape of the ball. One hen and two chicks. One hen and two chicks. Here the number 1 and 2 are telling the numbers of hen and chicks, children. So adjectives tells us about the quality, color, size, shape and number. This you understood, right? It tells how it is. It tells about quality, how it is, whether it is, see when you are explaining, you will tell, no, when you are telling he is a smart boy, the word smart is telling the quality of the boy. If you tell he is a rude boy, he is very rude. if you use he is very rude, the word rude is telling the quality of the boy. When it comes to color, all red, yellow, green, everything comes under adjective. Size, big, small, tall, short, shape, circle, square, rectangle, number 1, 2, 3, so many. Now, an adjective also describes how someone or something looks, tastes, feels, smells, or sounds like. Beautiful girl. Here, when we are talking about a girl, she's a beautiful girl. We describes the beauty, we describes the outlook. She's very beautiful. We'll talk like this, right? So here the word beautiful is telling how the girl is, children. Salty chips. Oh, these chips are very salty. Or you also tell, no, oh, these chips are very spicy. We tend to tell, no. So all the taste also comes under adjective. We are describing about something there. Soft pillow, it is telling the texture of the pillow, how it is, whether it is hard or soft. It is telling about the feeling of the pillow. When you sleep on the pillow, you feel, no, arey wow, such a soft pillow, mama, I will sleep on this. You request your parents, no? So like that, soft pillow. Here it is telling how the pillow is. Fresh fragrance. If you just remember, you're going walking around the garden, so you will be smelling varieties of flowers there. You may see rose, you may see jasmine. Just imagine you're smelling rose, you get a fragrance, right? So rose fragrance will be different, jasmine fragrance will be different. So all these things, no, comes under fragrance, children. When we are taking the smell of any type of flowers, no, it comes under fragrance. When you are having food, you can't tell fragrance. When you are having food, you get that spice flavors, no, all the spices flavors, that we tell it as flavors. Oh, the dish is very flavorful. It has got lot of flavors. It is very flavorful, we tell. We get that aroma, no, when you are having something, you get that aroma. There you can't tell it as fragrance. Wow, such a nice aroma, it's so flavorful, we will tell. And you also like to eat different types of ice creams, no. You may like to eat strawberry flavor ice cream, you may like to eat vanilla flavor ice cream, you may like to eat mango flavor ice cream, you may like to eat dry fruits flavor. So you get many number of flavors in ice creams also, no. So they all comes under flavors. So when it comes to food, it is flavors, children. You can't tell what a fragrance, nice vanilla ice cream, you can't tell. So when it comes to food, it is flavor. Okay, children. Now, loud music. Oh my god, I couldn't hear. It is so noisy. Loud music. So the word loud, noisy, everything comes under adjectives, children. So adjectives describes about quality, quantity. Quantity means numbers. Okay. Quality means whether it is rough, smooth, silky. Say for example, if you take example of hair, she has a long hair. My friend has long hair, Mataji. You tend to tell it, no. She has a short hair. You tend to tell it, no. She has a long hair, she has a short hair. So all these things comes under adjective only, children. When you are explaining about someone, no, when you are explaining about something or someone, we often use adjectives just to make it more clear. Her hair is very silky, you tell, right? Her hair is very silky. Oh, my hair is too rough. We feel like that, no, sometimes. So all this feeling, the texture feeling, rough, smooth, dry, wet, beautiful, ugly, everything comes under adjectives, children. So I hope you will try to use adjectives in your daily conversation. Also try to read some short story books every day and identify the adjective words here. We made an activity, do you remember, in the online class? We just read a short paragraph and we identified the adjective. So like that, you can identify the adjective in the small story or article. Just circle the adjectives and try to frame sentences using adjectives. When you're talking to your friends also, you can talk to them. You can tell them, wow, such a lovely dress, you look so pretty, how nice, no? It you feel very nice when you're praising someone, isn't it? If somebody tells me, no, wow, you're looking very good, how do I feel? I feel very proud of myself, and I present myself very well from the next time, isn't it? So similarly, in that way, children, whenever you're talking, when you're praising someone or something, try to use adjectives in your daily conversation, so that will help you to develop your vocabulary. Okay, with this, have a nice day. Ram Ram, children.